Welcome back to another episode of Airsoft Guns Firing. So, last time we did the shotgun, the M305A. Now we're gonna do the mini uzie. What fun that can be! So let's get down to it. Back on the range. Go with the side. There we go. There we go. Now, alright, we got a speed loader, ammo, a gun. Let's get the speed loader filled up, shall we? Might overload it, yep. Dang it. Okay, speed loader is done. Now here's our mag. It's a 22 round, I think. My writing's a bit shitty. Get that off. And in it goes. And that's filled. Okay. When you're loading guns, make sure the safety's on so you don't accidentally fire it. There you go. We're going to do 11 rounds with the suppressor on and 11 rounds without it. Let's get it going. Safety off. You could say this gun isn't exactly really reliable when it comes to shooting. Alright, now it's pressure off, 11 rounds. Okay, here we go. All the bullets are just basically firing, bouncing off. If it was CO2 or gas or electric, that'd be a different matter. Right, that gun is done. So, this is done. And now